Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. 2 men were traveling along the high road toward the town. Suddenly, one of them spied a hatchet half hidden in the fallen leaves. "Look what I have found," he cried, picking up the tool. "Do not say I," replied his companion. "It is more proper to say, 'Look what we have found.'" The finder of the hatchet shrugged his shoulders, and they continued on their way. Presently they came upon a group of men whose eyes were on the roadway as though they were looking for something. Suddenly one of the strangers pointed to the approaching twin, and they rushed up to them, pointing to the hatchet. "Alas," said the traveler who had found the hatchet, "it looks as though we are in trouble." "What do you mean, we are in trouble?" "What you really mean to say is that I am in trouble." The name of the story, The Travelers and the Hatchet. And the moral, he who will not allow his friend to share the prize must not expect him to share the danger. The second story, the enemy stood outside the walls of a certain city. As they brought up their siege weapons and arranged their forces for the attack, the desperate defenders within held a council of war to determine the best means of holding their city. A bricklayer arose. "Sirs," said he, "it is my opinion that the best material for this purpose is brick." Then he sat down. A carpenter asked to be recognized. "I beg to differ with the bricklayer. The material that will best serve our desperate needs is wood. Let timber be our defense." Then a tanner jumped to his feet. "Citizens," he cried, "when you all have had your say, I wish to remind you that there is nothing in the world like leather." The name of the story, The 3 Tradesmen. Moral, it is difficult to see beyond one's own nose. Now, daily motivational quote. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you will be doomed if you don't try. Beverly Seals. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.